This is the InSPIR IS02BAS unit. This unit can be programmed by a practitioner for up to 10 protocols. Let me show you the operations. Let's begin by plugging the wires into the unit. The blue plug will be plugged into the blue jack, and the red plug will be plugged into the red jack. If you're using gloves, the two wires will come out of the red plug and go into the gloves, and the two wires will come out of the blue plug and go into the gloves. You may wrap the gloves in a washcloth. For best results, make sure both gloves and washcloths are wet or damp. Regarding where to place gloves or pads, please follow your practitioner's instructions. To begin using the unit, simply press the on button. You will see one light is flashing. Next, select a protocol. When you see one light flashing, no protocol is running. At this time, you can select a protocol to run. If you want to run protocol number 3, press number 3, and now the light above 3 is flashing. Next, run the protocol. After a protocol is selected, you can press the start key to run the protocol. The light above the protocol will become solid. When a protocol is running, you need to make sure the lights on channel 1 and channel 2 are off. When both channel 1 and channel 2 lights are off, you have good continuity for microcurrent. Press the progress button to show the running progress of the protocol in percentage of time. Once you press the progress button, you will see a light on. So here, the number 10 means we're at 10%. That means that the current protocol has run roughly 10% of the total time. If you see the channel 1 and channel 2 lights on or flashing, you may not be getting enough microcurrent, or you may not be getting any microcurrent at all. You need to figure out what may be wrong. The problem might be dry skin, a weak or bad electrode, a bad wire, or the machine itself. When a protocol is running, you may press the pause key at any time to pause the protocol. To resume the protocol, simply press the start key. The current indication LED indicates the hundreds of microamperes of the output current. The current keys plus and minus allow you to increase or decrease the output current intensity. Once you press the current keys, you will see the light come on. The green number to the right side is the current intensity value from 10 to 100 microamperes. If the current intensity is higher than 100, there will be another light on the top next to 100 plus, 200 plus, or 300 plus. For example, if it is 100 plus, the current intensity value is 100 microamperes plus the current value showing above a key. So 100 plus 40. That equals 140 microamperes. After a protocol stops, you may select another protocol to run. If no protocol is running, the unit will power off automatically within 60 seconds, or you can hold the stop off key to power the unit off. The USB port is for communication with the computer only. The unit is powered by batteries that are AA. For other features and operations, please refer to the IS02BAS User's Manual. If you have any questions, please contact support@inspirstar.com.